Now your KSPR Storm Team forecast.
Well, today we've been seeing plenty of sunshine across the area, which probably is starting to make some of those area lakes look a little tempting until you look at the temperature. While we are talking about temperatures about 10 degrees warmer than where we were yesterday, 10 degrees warmer than average, we're still just sitting in the low 50s across most of the Ozarks. Springfield for now, we're 52 degrees. We still have that west to northwesterly breeze. It's been picking up a little bit since this afternoon, now at just 9 miles per hour. Temperature change across the board, though. Hard to complain about a 10 to 15 degree jump, even if it does just mean that we're sitting a little above average and in those upper 40s to low 50s. For the rest of the evening, not looking too shabby either. We will start to see that breeze become a little more southerly, and that's going to be important as far as our low temperatures go tonight. We all know southerly wind means that warmer air is going to be moving in, and that'll help to cap our temperatures just in the 30s tonight. So those overnight and early morning lows, they're just going to be close to freezing instead of those 20s that we woke up to early today. And the warming trend, it is just getting going here across the Ozarks. Tomorrow we're going to be welcoming in some low to potentially even mid 60s, but it will be accompanied with an increase in our fire danger because of stronger southerly wind. On top of that, don't get too excited about the warm and dry conditions just yet because another chance for rain is going to be on the way. Now tonight we will start to see that southerly wind kick up to about the range of about 10 to 15 miles per hour. First thing in the morning tomorrow, though, you're probably going to be able to hear and see that southerly breeze as it kicks up to 30 to even 40 miles per hour once you account for the gust. Now, southerly breeze, like we mentioned, it does mean a nice little uptick in the temperature. It's going to help to keep those temperatures overnight in some low to mid 30s. So I think by the time the kids are heading out to the bus stop, it won't be warm by any means, but about 10 to 15 degrees on the warmer side compared to where we were just today. Now, high temperatures, by the time lunchtime gets here tomorrow, will be in the mid 50s, so about where our highs topped off today, and climbing all the way up to some low to mid 60s. I wouldn't be surprised if our temperatures end up topping off a little warmer than what these models are showing. I think we'll be closer to 62 to 64 degrees for most of us by tomorrow afternoon. And now the cause for change, it has everything to do with that little blue H you saw sliding just down to the south. This is some high pressure that's been in control. It's been clearing out the clouds. And remember, the air around high pressure, it moves in a clockwise fashion. So that's going to be what encourages that shift out of the south with our wind. Clear sky and breezy conditions tomorrow, well, they will be the main thing that we're watching for. And once we pair that with those very dry air conditions we have, that's the increase for fire danger. So tomorrow, and even as we head into the weekend, not looking great for any outdoor burning that you would be doing. One little spark can spread very quickly with strong winds. On top of that, Saturday, look at this. We have another cold front that's going to be sliding through, not only knocking down our temperatures, but encouraging that next chance for rainfall. I do not think we're going to have a situation like we did on Sunday where we stir up instability, see the thunderstorms and pockets of heavy rain. Although across the board, I do think throughout the day on Saturday, I wouldn't be surprised if we had about a quarter of an inch to maybe a few pockets of half of an inch of rainfall. Overall, the wind, that's one of the big things that we're watching as we head to the overnight hours. As it starts to become more southerly, that's going to be the biggest contributor to keep things a little more mild. Remember, normally this time of the year, we're waking up to lows in the 20s and only climbing up to some low to mid 40s. So we're almost going to be spoiled with this little spike in temperature. It won't be quite as nice as that record-setting 70-degree temperature or those low 70s we saw over the weekend, but 60 still not too shabby for the end of January. And that chance for rain, Lee, I don't think it'll be a complete washout for your Saturday, but something to still keep in mind. And also to note, cold enough for just the rain and not the snow this go around.
Sounds good. All right.